So now we're going to be dealing with vertical content. Here I was just editing some photos and I've already picked out a couple seconds. So here I was editing, so we're going to keep our existing settings again. Here I was editing my photography on my mobile device, so my iPhone 6s at the time, and we're going to just do scale to fit frame size. And I'm just going to take out the audio. I do this every time whenever I do the story that doesn't need audio, just to make sure that there's nothing there. But here's just the process of me editing a photo, really quick 15-second snippet, since 15 seconds is the limit that Instagram lets you do for a story. So we can just actually make this exactly 15 seconds. And without color grading, this is just simple like that. If you maybe want to change it up or something, you can edit it. You can add some breakpoints to it where they're like cuts. So if you see it there, then it cuts or something like that. I don't know. Depending on how you actually want to do your content, you can just do it like that. Editing process would take here. Remember, 15-second intervals for your story. Vertical content is the easiest to edit because you're not losing any detail or anything when you're scaling up enough to have your vertical content be formed from your horizontal content. Because I'll show you again on the screen. It is a different ratio. It's a 19:16 instead of 16:9 if you're doing 1080p or 4K or any like 16:9 format. So just like horizontal content, you can do Control M or go through File, Export, and Media. You change everything you need to do, and then you press Export or Q if you're going to do the media encoder and batch export. So we're going to press Export, and now we are done exporting our content for Instagram.